What's happening with YouTube? It's another motherfucking ratchet review. Got that pack in, dog. Pack in, pack motherfucking in. Man, first off, make y'all hit that like button if you fucks with your boy. So if you don't, hit that dislike and get the fuck straight like that. Man, shout out to everybody that is fucking with your boy. Fuck you haters with a sick dick, no rubber and shit. Let's get into it. Got a little unboxing and a quick review for y'all. Shit. 2 in 1, you know what I'm saying? What they call a twofer. Got a twofer for y'all. Left my damn knife in the house, so shit, got to improvise. These right here, hey, these are some things that y'all already know how I feel about them. But shit, I got them. See, hey, one more again, see if it make me a couple dollars. Blam, thing there, down. What them things, them zebras. And shit, black cow, that they is. Man, over the water, shit, they didn't, hey, they don't play, you hear me? I'm gonna motherfucking do a comparison. Gonna see what they talking about. They supposedly be got the, cause you know these got the whiter bottom than the other Jones. So yeah, gonna see what they twerking with over there. See how close or how far away they is, and shit, you might can say, well shit, I think you anyway can say some bread here. You can, don't matter about the style, but yeah, they go to the other shoe. Blam, size 13. I mean, these ain't going for much, but shit, they going for something, you hear me? I seen them like 300, like $60 come up. Shit, that ain't bad. Ain't necessarily all good, but it definitely ain't bad. Hell, I might keep them though. But yeah, that's them. And shit, matter of fact, damn, that big gonna fall. That big gonna fall. Let me grab that. Alright, bam. D right here. Oh shit. See white, black, Air Jordan 5 Retro, BCFC. Don't know what that mean. But blah, there go the shoes. These things right here, them Paris 5. So this the friends and family version of it. This mug got some, oh, that's when the shoes was wrapped up. 23 paper, ain't no stamps, no stickers, no none of that. Shit, y'all already know what it is. Motherfucking box got the damn stick back together. Glue paws and shit falling all out. But yeah, bam, there go the box. And blah, here go the motherfucking shoes. Now these is not my motherfucking cup of tea, but I still have nothing for sale. I repeat, I have nothing for sale. So bam, let's get into it. See the side profile on it. I mean, it's like some tumble leather, but it just feels kind of different. I don't know. Like it's just like different tumble, like how that tumble was on them international flights of it. This feel definitely much harder. This big got a little shell to it or something. This big got a shell toe. On the side you got your netting, your black smoky like netting, the Paris back there in the, you know what I'm saying, in the back. If you can, let me try to get in the light. Damn, hold on, let me move out there, big. Again, is that the light? Shit, I can't, motherfucker. All right, bam. That's kind of better. See that back, that booty shot. Got that little red, black and white strip back there. Paris Saint-Germain, Paris Saint-Germain. I mean the bottoms. Bow, that Paris jump, whatever, established, blah blah blah, whatever. Saint-Germain. It's like a slight blue tint to it. You know what I'm saying? But not much. Little black Jordan plate right there in the middle. You got the 7.5 on the right shoe and the 7.5 on the left shoe. I don't know what that mean. Black midsole. It's like a flat black. Got the little white short tee with the black speckles on there. Blam blam. I mean, stitchings look good on here. Black laces. Shit, I'm tired of holding these bitches up to me. Black laces. Lace lock clear. Black with the red top on it. Let me see. I don't see no Jumpman on that bit. No, I don't see no Jumpman on there. Tongues. Man, them motherfuckers kind of lacking to me. Them bitches kind of short. Like a midget on them knees. Need to be, you know what I'm saying? Like them damn pants, they need to be pulled up. Get a put. Well, I mean, I guess, yeah, they need to be pulled up a little more. But I mean, it is Gucci. Got the ribs on it and shit. You know what I'm saying? The humps and the bump on there. You got that issue. The young gummy right there. Smoked out young gummy right there on the tongue. Jumpman. Shit, I mean, him ain't looking crazy. Look good. Tongues ain't all super canked up. You feel me? Bam. So I mean, that's good to go on that issue. Bam. So yeah. Insole, white, black, just like the black pair. I mean, let's see behind the tongues. The right shoe, that, and on the left shoe, Paris. Bow, there you go on that. Inside, I mean, same thing, same thing. I mean, shit. You want fucks with them. Shit, if you don't. It's pretty simple. I mean, hey, like I said though, I have nothing for sale. I will have more packs coming in, more videos coming, more everything coming. Like, comment, subscribe. Set a like, comment, subscribe. Fuck with me. Damn, hold it, I almost look like them bitches. Down the 3 of them now, I think that's just the sun just beaming hard. I think, yeah. But yeah, that is. More all that coming. Fuck with me.